Who is making these girl burp videos? Let's go. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Oh, excuse me. That was a good one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. But guys, I hope you enjoyed these pictures. Holy cow. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey. Excuse me, my goodness. Excuse me. Oh shit. Excuse me. Oh my. Night. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. I know I haven't been doing your normal but I was still, you know, into my cooking tables that I use. Oh God. Excuse me, guys. I have to burp, guys. Oh, hell yeah, that was good. Excuse me.